we have to beat Kiev. Come on. Come on. Usman! Damn it, bro. Usman, no. You messed up. No, Pedri, no. Score it yourself. Nice. Usman. 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 Ba, ba, ba. Look. Look the goat. Look the goat.
Where's the goat? The goat!
The goat. What a run. Oh, we go third. We go third, but we can... No, we can't make it. Can we make it? Oh, this is tough. No, we're not making it. Alright, it's Villarreal. Something light. Something light. We got this. Ooh, nice. Obama and Abs. Easy abs. Nice. Very nice. It's time for the B team. It's time for the C team to go in and show them how it's done, you know? We have to win. And Bayern needs to lose. Bayern needs to lose, man. That's the only way. That's the only way we can qualify. Doom! Obama! Obama who? Obama what? Pedri. Oof. 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 Sweat it. Ooh. Obama. Oof. Do I even have to say it? Oh, another goal from Bayern, man. Doesn't even matter. We're out, bro. Oh, no. There's no way. There's literally no way, man. Oh, the Champions League is over just like that, man. Alright, we gotta roll these kids. Home Deep. Home Deep. Home Deep.
What the heck?
Look at this. Memphis. Deep. Look at this. Hit your celebration, bruh. Oof. You're not scoring, brother.
Oh shit! They've bloody scored! I can't believe that! Not when I'm saying that!
Gabby, no! Oof! Deep! Deeper!
Man, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear.
I can't believe we sold. How are we gonna sell the Champions League, man? How are we gonna sell the best trophy we have right now, bro? The best competition we have, man. Look at this banger. Oof. Oh my, get out of here. Bangers. Woo! Obama, make the run. Obama, what? How's that a foul? How's that a foul? How's that a foul? How's that a free kick? How's that a free kick? He missed the ball. He missed the ball. There's no free kick there. Ooh. Pedri! Why are you missing that? How are you? Get out of here. Get out of here. You're in my pocket, little boy. You're in my pocket. Look, now I'm going to score it. Look, now I'm going to score it. Now I'm going to score it. What did I say? Now I'm going to score it. Ooh, where are you going? Where are you going? Send your ass to the shops. What a ball. Ooh. Oh. Bro, you're not doing anything. Look who I got here. Come on, man. Sit down. How's that a foul? How's that a foul? Okay, man. Oof, what a ball. Oof. Oof. What a chip. What a chip. That was one of the worst chips I've ever seen. What a chip. What a chip. Okay, a nice little 3-0 puts us up 1 point ahead. Okay. Real Madrid is 6th? Jesus, man. 6th place. That's wild. Oh my gosh, man. We face Marshall, bro. Marshall, bro. Jeez, bro. That's some light work. We're winning the Europa League. Trust, we're winning the Europa League. Oh my god.